Welcome to the topic nervous system. Neuropharmacology. It is the large, most complicated, and the least understood branch of pharmacology. The medications treat the pain, anxiety, depression, schizophrenia, insomnia, and convulsions. And through their effects on the nerves, the drugs treat the diseases of other organ systems. The nervous system is divided into central and peripheral components. The divisions include the central nervous system, which has brain and spinal cord, peripheral nervous system, which is somatic and autonomic nervous system. Further, the functional divisions of the nervous system includes central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system includes brain, which receives and processes the sensory information, initiates responses, stores memories, generates thoughts and emotions. It includes spinal cord, which conducts the signals to and from the brain, controls the reflex activities. Peripheral nervous system, which is connected between CNS and the whole body. It contains motor neurons. The CNS send the signals to the muscles and glands. And sensory neurons, the sensory organs, they send the stimulus to the CNS. Then we have somatic nervous system, which controls the voluntary movements. And we have autonomic nervous system, which controls the involuntary response. Autonomic nervous system is further divided into sympathetic division, which is also called as fight or flight, and parasympathetic division, which is rest and digest. Functions of the nervous system includes they recognize the changes in the internal and external environments. They process and integrate these environmental changes, and they react to the environmental changes by producing an action or response. Talk about autonomic nervous system first. So autonomic nervous system is the part of your nervous system that controls involuntary actions, such as the beating of your heart and widening or narrowing of your blood vessels. Autonomic nervous system controls internal body processes such as following: blood pressure, heart and breathing rates, body temperatures, urination, metabolism, digestion, saliva, sweat, and water balance. These are all involuntary actions which are controlled by the autonomic nervous system. Further, the autonomic nervous system has sympathetic and parasympathetic branches. In sympathetic branches, which is also called as a fight or flight response, and it is activated and stimulated at the time of stress. Physical indications of the fight or flight response includes dilated pupils, trembling of the body, pale or flushed skin, rapid heartbeat, and breathing. Parasympathetic nervous system is also called as the rest and digest, so it is activated or stimulated in a non-stressful situation. The rest and digest response includes like the pupil constricts, slow and deep breathing, muscles relax, heart rate decreases, cells repair and regenerate. It boosts an immune response, improve the digestion, and enhance the ability to relate and connect with others. Now, this scheme is going to explain how the parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system regulate the functioning organs. In parasympathetic system, the pupils of the eye gets constricted. The salivary glands causes the stimulation of the saliva. It slows the heartbeat. It constricts the bronchi in the lungs. It stimulates the digestion in the stomach. It stimulates the bile release in the liver, stimulates the peristalsis and secretion, contracts the urinary bladder. These all activities happens when the parasympathetic system is activated. When sympathetic system is stimulated at the time of stress, then eyes gets the pupil dilated, inhibits the salivation in the salivary glands. It accelerates the heartbeat. That's why we are always breathless when we are in stress. Bronchi, they dilate. In stomach, digestion inhibits. In liver, it stimulates the glucose release. That's why the blood sugar always increases when we have more stress. Kidneys, they stimulate the epinephrine and norepinephrine release. And intestines, they inhibit the peristalsis movements and secretions, and it relaxes the bladder when we have the sympathetic nervous system stimulation. We can make these remember by the following easy divisions as well. E division is always for sympathetic. E means exercise, E excitement, E emergency, and embarrassment. All these four things happens at when the sympathetic system is activated. Parasympathetic division is given by D, digestion, defecation, and diuresis. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.